Today's video is going to be all about our iconic Bollywood retro look from the 80s, which is going to be a lot of fun, glitter and red lips. This look will not only accentuate your femininity but will also make you look super polished and put together. All the products that I've used in this video have been bought from the beauty store of Big Basket, so let's get started. I'm going to start by using a moisturizer and applying it all over the face for some hydration. I'm concealing my eyelids so that I can play around with my eye makeup and it stays for longer. To set it, I'm going to use a plain nude brown shadow all over the lids. I'm going to sweep a darker brown transition color through the crease line using a blending brush. And then I'm slowly creating a delicate flick, which I will make into a medium thick winged eyeliner. To bring out some color, I'm using a forest green eyeliner pencil in my waterline. And then I'm going to use a green eyeliner, which is glitter, on top of the winged eyeliner that I had put earlier. I'm going to curl my lashes with a heavy coat of mascara. And once the eyes are done, I'm going to move to the face. I'm applying a very thin layer of foundation all over the face and just blending it very gently using a brush. And then I'm using a concealer just to match out the discoloration, which is very common in Indian skin tones. And I really like this concealer, which I got from the beauty store of Big Basket. I'm going to have all the links in the information box below. I'm applying a bronzer to bring some warmth and dimension across my face. I'm also going to fill my brows using an eyebrow powder, and after that I'm going to use a gold toned highlighter to those areas of the face where the light hits the first. And let me tell you, the real star of this pin-up look is red lips. So I'm going to line my lips in order to prevent the lipstick from smudging, and I'm applying a very nice warm red matte lip color across my lips. And that is done. So all the products that I've used in this video have been bought from the beauty store of Big Basket. The links will be mentioned in the description box below. Like, share and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye.